show you how to make birria, and it's the easiest process that there is anywhere, because you're gonna be using don chitins. So the main ingredients that we're gonna have that you're gonna use is 1 cup of water. I've got a little bit of salt. It looks like about 1.5 tablespoons, and 5 pounds of meat. And this is enough to feed like a big family. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna put the chuck roast, that's the type of meat that I'm using, into the crock pot. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add salt. You can always add more salt if you have to after. Remember, you can't take it off, but you can put it on. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon worth. And now I'm gonna put the main ingredient, which is 1 15-ounce pouch of don chitins Mexican cooking sauce. This will make your birria or your barbacoa for all your potlucks or family gatherings, baseball games on Sundays or during the week. From what I hear, and I've gotten a lot of people texting me and calling me and emailing me that they love it. It tastes really, really good. Everybody enjoys it. Thank you all, everybody, for ordering online. So there you go. I'm gonna put it in the slow cooker for I'm gonna let it cook for about 7 to 8 hours, and everything's just gonna cook in all its juices. It's gonna be delicious. You can make tacos with it. You can serve it on top of rice, on a bed of rice, however you want. Visit us at www.donchitins.com and order your pouch today. So welcome back. Our birria is done. So it's been cooking on high for about 7 to 8 hours, and it smells really good. So our meat is very tender because it cooks in its own juices for 8 hours. It's gonna pick up a lot of flavor. So this is our chuck roast meat that I used. Like I said, it's very tender. I'm gonna put a little juice. Obviously, that's the original birria. And there you go. Lots of flavor. The good thing is you made it yourself. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion, a little cilantro, a couple of squirts of lemon, and for me, I love chili. Put the chili on there, and there you go, folks. Birria at its best. Visit us at www.donchitins.com and order your package today so that you can make your own birria.